Hey guys, this is the day before BlossomCon. We made it inside the stadium. Hey guys, this is the day before BlossomCon. I've been doing BlossomCon for I think this is the 4th year, but I have never vlogged anything because, you know, I'm not a vlogging girly. I'm like a sit down, talk to the camera girly. So yeah, it's going to be fun. It's the day before BlossomCon. Getting my office ready because I have a friend staying over. This couch actually pulls out, so she's going to be staying here. She's going to be joining me at BlossomCon. See you there. Good morning, you guys. It's the day of the Blossom event. I'm just getting ready for BlossomCon now, just brushing my teeth, washing my face. I don't know if you guys want to see what I use. This is the Ram Lab toner. This is the serum I use. And then Ram Lab moisturizer. And then I am going to put SPF after. This is the sunscreen I've been using. It's Paula's Choice SPF 50, 5% vitamin C sheer moisture. And it is tinted, which means you don't get the white cast. What I've been using before was Korean skincare that wasn't tinted. And I would have white cast, and then I had to get luminizing drops, which makes your skin more bronze, to cover up the white cast after. So I feel like just using a tinted sunscreen is so much better. It just disappears and makes you a little glowy. Every day. I'm gonna change into my BlossomCon outfit, which I literally found 2 nights ago. I was kind of just lying in bed and I'm like, I'm gonna try on some clothes for BlossomCon. I was going to wear this black dress, but then I don't know, I just wanted something more elevated and cuter, so let's go do that. I'm going to be wearing these heels, slides, sandals. I feel like it's gonna look really cute, and then when I get tired of these, because it is an almost 7-hour event, I'm gonna wear my sandals. Brushed my hair. I honestly have not washed my hair in 3 days. That's why it's so flat. I like to take my bangs out so I can put them in rollers. We made it inside the stadium. It looks really good. I'll show you guys later, but this is the behind the scenes of the speaker area, I guess. Yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't even practiced the panel questions yet. I'm going to do that now, and then it's still early. People are lining up outside already though. It's still early, but I'm going to practice my questions, say hi to everyone, and then I'm just gonna have fun, basically. And my friend Joyee, yes, her name is Joyee as well, is going to be helping me film B-roll and content stuff. So see you guys out there, even though this vlog isn't coming out until after this event, obviously. I just finished my panel and it went amazing. No surprise to that because I practiced for 30 minutes. So
I should start doing that next time because practice makes perfect. I'm going to get some food, hot dogs, and then I'm going to enjoy the events and not be so nervous about the panel because I got it out of the way. Pay yourself first! Kathy! Harvest is doing this activation where you play a game and then you put your name on a raffle and you get to win an iPad. And I think me and Nate are gonna be the ones who get the names. So just waiting for that. It's gonna be in 5 minutes. Hi everybody! How's it going? Okay, if you entered into the raffle to win an iPad at the Harvest booth, now would be the time to pull your ticket out, read the number, and see if you win any of the iPad. Alright you guys, I'm reading the name. The name is Michael Lang. Michael Lang, Harvest ETF. You want an iPad if you want to come get it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you're out. Sorry. Tessin. Namesake Half of Life is showing up. Make sure you show up for yourself every single day. Show up for your investment. Show up for your future. Thanks so much, guys. Guys, 5:30. 30 more minutes until BlossomCon ends. Ritu, Monica, Shay's cameraman. Joyee. See you guys next year. Honestly, don't be late because we're sold out and then 50 people were like, oh my god, do you still have tickets? I don't want to hear it. Goodbye.